in the series of lectures on digital electronics, my third lecture. As you know, in early lecture that we have discussed the Boolean algebra and Boolean laws. In the last slides, when we have said that how law of Boolean algebra is operative, that was the discussion. Now we have to do De Morgan's theorem. This theorem is very important for semester 2 students in MSc postgraduate students. Normally ask this question, and it is an application of Boolean algebra. De Morgan's theorem, there are two De Morgan's rules for theorems. Theorem 1. The complement of two or more variables is equal to the product of the complements of the variables. This can be written as two separate terms NOR and together is the same as two terms inverted complement and get and examples. A plus B bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. Theorem 2. The complement of the product of two or more variables is equal to the sum of the complements of the variables. It means in early case you get plus and find multiplication, and the second theorem you get dot means product and you find additions. And this can be written as two terms NAND and together is the same as the for OR gate. If any objective question asked in postgraduate students, they have some asked questions. In the theorem 1, you get what? That's you get NOR and AND. And theorem number 2, that you start from NAND and go to the NOR, OR. So these are the, if you start the questions of the statements, you write all these things. But keep your memory, this is the technique in early, that addition equal to multiplication and the second theorem multiplication equal to the additions. So this is the theorem can be written as A dot B bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. These two theorems can be proved. Again, this type of question, state De Morgan's theorem and prove it. So how to prove these two theorems? So number 1, A plus B bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. Since each variable can have a value either 0 or 1, the following four cases arise. Number 1, when A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, A plus B bar is equal to 0 plus 0 bar is equal to 0 bar is equal to 1. And A bar dot B bar is equal to 0 bar dot 0 bar is equal to 1 dot 1 is equal to 1. Hence, A plus B bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. Second, when A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1. So A plus B bar is equal to 0 plus 1 bar is equal to 1 bar is equal to 0. And A bar dot B bar is equal to 0 bar dot 1 bar is equal to 1 dot 0 is equal to 0. As you know in your early case that we have said, if you take 1 bar, it means it is inverting. If 1 is taken for 1, its bar will be 0. If 0 is taken, then bar will be 1. And in the products, you know your NAND AND gate, any input is off, output will be off. So you get 1 dot 0, you get 0. Hence this proves A plus B bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. Case third, when A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, A plus B bar is equal to 1 plus 0 bar is equal to 1 bar is equal to 0. And A bar dot B bar is equal to 1 bar dot 0 bar is equal to 0 dot 1 is equal to 0. And again it proves A plus B bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. So it is very simple. Once you take addition, get product, you get product, you find addition, and you get 1, bar is your 0. If you get 0, you find bar 1. So it is a very simplification. Now fourth, when A1 B1, A plus B bar is equal to 1 plus 1 bar is equal to 1 bar is equal to 0. and A bar dot B bar is equal to 1 bar dot 1 bar is equal to 0 dot 0 is equal to 0, and hence it proves A plus B bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. So in every case LHS equal to RHS, this theorem proves.